how to actually become a content creator in 2023. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tatiana and I am a stay-at-home mom and a full-time UGC/content creator. Before we get started in today's video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel and hit that bell so you're notified every time I post. Let's get into the video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how to start UGC in 2023, what even is UGC, and if you've never heard of it, please keep watching this video. This is going to be a step-by-step guide on how to start your UGC journey today. These are the exact steps I took when I got started. I just want to say that this might not work for everyone, but if you're willing to put in the time and stay committed and stay consistent to elevate your business, you can really succeed. Step 1, make a UGC email and Twitter. It is so important that you make these two things to specifically cater to your UGC business and the growth of your business. On your Twitter bio, you want to make sure that it's UGC related. I will show you what I mean by that. Here is an example of my Twitter right here. I also made a cover photo on Canva to add a cute little professional touch, if you know what I mean. You see it, you see it. Okay. So on Twitter, you're gonna wanna make sure you follow a bunch of other content creators. You're gonna wanna make sure that you're engaging with them and their content. It's very, very important that you're posting, you're tweeting, you can even ask questions. The UGC community on Twitter is like huge and they're so supportive, it's literally crazy. Another reason why I say to post your content on Twitter is because you can land brand deals that way. Like a lot of brands are constantly looking for UGC creators on Twitter. So if you're posting your amazing content on there, chances are you're gonna land a lot of brand deals. On to step 2, create a portfolio. You guys, a portfolio is so important if you wanna pursue a career in UGC. You're gonna wanna make sure that your portfolio is accessible in all of your social platforms and also that you're linking it in your emails when you're pitching to brands. The easiest way to make a portfolio is to either download the Canva app on your phone, or if you have a computer, you can also, search it in Google. Canva has so many cute templates on there. You just look up website portfolio and you guys are gonna just pick out the one you want. I promise you, your style's in there. Your portfolio is mainly going to be a little bit about you, a little bit about UGC, your work, aka video and photo content, also your rates and a contact page. If you guys are interested in hearing more about a portfolio, what really does it look like, or how to make one, stay tuned. Next week I'm going to be doing a step-by-step make a portfolio with me. I already have mine made, but I thought it would be an awesome way for you guys to kind of see and be walked through the process of how to make it. On to step 3, making content. You guys, you need to make content if you want to be a UGC creator. Keep listening. Just hear me out, okay? You're gonna want to make videos and photos. You guys, literally anything in your house, you're gonna want to pick up and make content with it. So like your facial cleanser, your Good American jeans, your matcha, make a drink with your matcha, what else? Like your favorite candle or coffee maker. There's so many things that you have at your home that you could be making awesome content with. Like it's literally staring at you like, make content with me, make content with me. Like if you want to do UGC, then you definitely need to put the time in and make some awesome content. Don't make it harder than it really is. I'm gonna show you guys an example. I came prepared. I brought some items from around my house. I brought some items from around my house. So, right here. So let's do this one first. Say, this is some matcha I brought. This is some matcha I bought, and I love matcha personally. I've never tried to make it myself, but I know I love matcha. So I got this and I was like, this is gonna make some awesome content. You literally could take some really cute, aesthetically pleasing photos, you know, open the package a little bit. I'm gonna insert some, I know since this is new, I haven't been able to make any content with it yet, but I'm gonna post some like inspo right here. I'm gonna upload like 2 pictures and a video of like how you could get really creative with some content with just this small package, okay? And then like another thing is like some lip gloss. You know, you could take some really cute photos of your lip glosses, or you can do like a video trying it on. There's literally like saying why you love this product, saying, oh, it's a butter gloss, like it keeps my lips feeling so smooth, they don't feel dry, da 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 da, like I don't know, like, but there's like so many things that you can do when making content. Literally pick up anything around your house and you guys will be set, I promise you. Just make sure you're creating a bunch of content, you guys. In the beginning is the most important time to be creating as much content and get as much practice in as you can. Don't worry too much about scripting. Don't worry too much about planning everything out. Make that content and get better and better each time you do it. You want to look back months from now and be like, oh my gosh, the first video I just put on my portfolio is cringy. You don't ever want to think like, oh yeah, I did that. Like, I mean, you want to think that you did that, but I mean, you want to think that you did it, like it was good and everything, but months later you want to be like, oh, that's cringy, because that's your mind saying like, you know, like you got hella practice in, like you're already this much better than when you started. The reason that this is so important, like this is a must-have, must-do step in making content, is because this is going to go in your portfolio, you guys. And like I said, your portfolio is going to be on all your social media platforms. You're going to be sending this through email. So you're going to want to have a lot of content, a lot of experience, a lot of work done to show. You don't need brand new products to start UGC. You really don't. You guys, UGC is basically like, okay, a video example. It's solving a problem in your audience to make them want to buy that product. You get me? And this leads us to step number 4. You guys, when you're in the beginning or throughout your whole journey, post your content. It's so important to post your content. I know I said post it on Twitter. I know I said you're gonna upload it on your portfolio, but you need to be posting your content on TikTok and on Instagram as well. Like on Instagram, you can take advantage that they have different features. Like your short form videos, you could be posting that as reels, and then on your photography, your really nice aesthetically pleasing like photos of your product, you could be posting on, you know, like the regular feed on Instagram. And then on TikTok, you don't know, like TikTok's awesome. Like literally you could post so much on TikTok. You can constantly be uploading your content and people will literally come across your stuff and reach out to you. Same with all the other social media sites. You gotta have your emails in all of your bios. You guys, a brand reached out to me and emailed me from TikTok, from them seeing my content. So it's very important that you guys are posting your content, constantly making new content, especially when you're new. The reason you should be doing this is because not only are you practicing and figuring out what like video styles you like, as far as, you know, unboxing, get ready with me, my daily routine, cook with me. There's literally testimonials, story times. There's so many different like styles that you can see if you really like, but you're also bringing in inbound brand collabs. And what I mean by that is when they're reaching out to you because you're posting all of your content for it to get out there for brands to see and really, you know, fall in love with you and your organic content. Step 5 is going to be to download CapCut and Lightroom. And my face literally just lit up when I said this because these are my go-to to editing everything. Literally, not even UGC specific. I edit my YouTube videos on here, my TikToks. I edit my Instagram photos. I edit everything on these two, you guys. Lightroom and CapCut, they are gonna be your best friend. They're gonna be your best friend. These two literally have so many free features that you don't even have to pay for, and they just make editing your content 10 times better. Like, I'm just saying, like, oh, I'm gonna do a before and after with my videos and my pictures for you guys, because CapCut and Lightroom, girl, exactly. You can do so many different things on CapCut, and it's awesome. Like, you have your own unique style on how you like to edit your videos. CapCut gives you so many options, and I just love how my videos come out every time when I use CapCut. And Lightroom is gonna help you edit your photos just how you like it. You guys, if you like fall in love with an editing style or all the different features that you love on CapCut, and you just love how your pictures be coming out, they have this awesome feature to where you can basically save those filters, save that style as its own. You can save all those features on one, so when you uploading a whole bunch of different photos, you can click on, oh, I know how I like my pictures, boom, I'm gonna click this one, and your whole picture changed. To where you can basically save those filters, save that style. But it's awesome. They have so many awesome features in Lightroom. You guys definitely, these are gonna be your best friends. You guys definitely need to download CapCut and Lightroom. Step 6 is pitching. You guys, you want money, right? You want gifted collabs, you wanna start working with brands, you want brand collaborations, you wanna start, being a content creator, making money and making content for brands. So start pitching with the brands that you personally love, but in different categories. And say you're a beauty girl and you love everything makeup and skincare, don't just pitch to brands in that category. You're also gonna wanna, say you love this specific kitchenware, you also cook. Pitch to those types of brands, pitch to home decor brands, food, hair, body hygiene. Like, you're gonna wanna pick a whole bunch of different categories to pitch to brands to your favorite, favorite brands that you love. The reason I say this is because it's going to give you a variety of brands to reach out to, and you're definitely gonna learn and gain a lot of knowledge on what strategy works best for you, how to pitch, and even how to respond. If you guys follow these steps, I promise you're going to gain a lot of brand collabs, because not only are you just pitching to the brand, but you have proof with your portfolio, and you've been posting all of your content on your TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. So you're gonna have a lot of proof, a lot to back up what you're pitching to that brand. And you guys, if in the beginning you're struggling to land paid brand deals, but you're getting, gifted brand collaboration, offers, accept them. Please accept them. Don't think that you're gonna be wasting your time with gifted collabs, or even don't want to because it's not paid. If it's in the beginning, you might as well accept it, because that's gonna give you a lot of knowledge on, how this business works, how to talk with brands, because just because it's a gifted collab don't mean that you're not gonna learn anything. You're gonna learn a lot. So in my opinion, I think gifted collabs are great when you're starting out. I think you should definitely accept them, as many as possible. But don't offer yourself for free. Like, you have your rates and everything. But if a brand finds you and they're like, hey, I would love to do a gifted collab with you, we'd love to send you this, whatever, I say you accept it, especially in the beginning. You're gonna get a lot of experience, and you're gonna get a lot of practice in crafting your work. So I definitely say you guys should go for it. And lastly, step number 7, stay consistent and committed. You guys, the more work you put in early on, the more results you're gonna see a lot faster. You can literally get started on this right away. You don't need any money to start up. You can start right now. You can start today. Start your journey today. If you guys have any questions, please comment them down below. I'd be happy to answer anything that I know, and I just want to help you guys as much as possible. I just think that this is like an amazing way to make money, and especially if you want to pursue content creation, you want to be a content creator full-time, long-term, I think this is a great way to even start that, because you're going to get a lot of experience in working with brands and, you know, feeling more confident in yourself in front of the camera, taking more pictures. Like, you guys are just, it's gonna give you so much experience if you don't necessarily want to be a UGC creator in the long run, and you want to be a content creator or an influencer. This is still gonna help you guys get there. This is just a great way to start off, you know? I was really thinking about uploading a video every Monday specifically towards UGC. I really want to try and give out as much information of this that I know, and, you know, help out as much as I can, and, you know, just also show you guys my journey and what I do that helps me land brand deals, helps me, you know, edit my videos, make content. I would just love to show you guys how I do it, and if you guys are interested, on Mondays definitely going to be catered to UGC. But if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, again, please comment them down below. Do not be scared to ask. And make sure you hit that bell so you're notified every time I post. Thank you guys so much for watching.